So this is Article 17 of the Constitution, and it is the National Sioux Council. And it reads, it's one sentence: the Tribal Council may appoint delegates to represent the Oglala Sioux Tribe in the National Sioux Council. So it's one sentence. People in the community were just a little bit confused on what this means, the National Sioux Council, because right now, presently, there's treaty councils. So just asking for this area to be a little bit more specified in what it's asking for, and what that means, and maybe it's National Sioux Council, or you change it to Treaty Council, whatever that is, but it's just specifying it more to what that means. Another recommendation by the youth was, so if we have a National Sioux Council of Elders, why don't we make one for the youth in the communities, or even opening that up as an amendment too. So those are just two examples of some amendments can look like with that Article 17. So with that, those were our articles, the 17 articles of our constitutions, and some possible examples that can be some amendments. Thank you for your time.